Hey, what's going on, traders? Welcome to the Zero to Hero Trader YouTube channel, where we teach you the ins and outs of trading the markets to make you a better trader. Now, before we get started, make sure that you like and subscribe down below so you can get notified when we post another video. And last but not least, if you're interested in some of the custom studies that we use in our videos on the channel for Think or Swim, I dropped a link in the description below where you can go and check those out if you like. In this video, we're going to be doing a deep dive into another bullish reversal chart pattern, the double bottom. Let's go.
Zero to hero trader, learn to trade in no time. Watch our videos and be sure to subscribe.
Okay guys, so the double bottom is a bullish reversal chart pattern, and it's going to consist of 6 different components to make up this chart pattern. All right, component number 1, it's going to need to be in a downtrend. Okay, downtrend is our first component right here. Component number 2, it's going to come down, find some support, and make a low for our component number 2. Component number 3, it's going to come up and find resistance. Make a small resistance right there. Roll back down for component number 4, and it's going to make another low at or near the same area that it made before, right here. And then it's going to roll back up, and then we are going to come in here and draw our neckline. The neckline will be our component number 5. Once we see this curling back up, we are looking for this to fail at the neckline to make component number 6 the breakout. And we would enter right around that breakout area of the neckline right there as price moves back above that neckline, above this little resistance point right here. All right, now where would I place my stops? My stops I like to place right below these lows. Okay, that way if it rolls over, if this gets hit, I know that that's confirmed to be invalid, and there we go. All right, so let's go in and see if we can find this pattern in the charts. Let's go. Okay, so I found a double bottom here in the charts. So let's go through these again. Component number 1 is our downtrend. Component number 2, it makes the first low, comes up, finds some resistance, rolls back down, makes another low at or near the first low. Okay, that is component number 4. Rolls back up. Once it starts rolling back up, I can see the double bottom has started to form. I'm going to come in here with my trend line and mark this area. When that breaks, I'm going to try to enter right here. Somewhere in there, okay? And then I like to put my stop somewhere right there. All right, so you can see we get the breakout above the neckline, above that little resistance point, comes up and moves on up. Okay, so that is the double bottom. Let's see if we can find one more example here. Okay guys, here's another example of the double bottom. And of course, as always, these aren't going to be as picture perfect as I show you in the slides, just because price action is random and you never know really what the price is going to do. But as you learn these chart patterns, you'll be able to see them forming in real time and be able to take advantage when the opportunity presents itself, and that is the point of these videos. Okay, so let's get into this pattern here on our second example. So we have component number 1, we've got our downtrend, nice strong downtrend here, find some support for our component number 2, makes that low, comes up, finds a little bit of resistance here, looks like it did it a couple times there, but it rolls back down to make our component number 4 right around this first one. Not exactly the same, but close. Okay, once it starts rolling back up, we put our trend line in there to form that neckline, component number 5, and the breakout happens right around in here. Okay, and once again, I would put my stop somewhere in there. Just in case it came down, that would be my risk, and you can see that price moves on up nicely. Okay guys, so that is the deep dive on the double bottom pattern, bullish reversal pattern. And once again, if you haven't yet, check that description below for a link to the PDF the free PDF that we've given you here so that you can have this when you're trading by your side. You can print it out, hang it on your wall, whatever you want to do with it. That is our free gift to you. Go ahead and give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon. Leave me a comment down below. Do you trade the double bottom pattern? Maybe you should. All right, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.